Hi, this is EURJPY and today it's Saturday, 9th of January 2021. I'm Sophia S and this is a technical analysis study on the pair using Ichimoku Kinkohio, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. On the monthly time frame we see that the pair clearly wants to continue upwards and make a very strong bullish Kumo breakout. Everything is ideal for that. There is bearish Kumo above the price and the leading Kumo is flat, bearish and as thin as it should be in order for the price to make a very strong upward move. On weekly, there is a funnel formed by the Bollinger Bands. The price hasn't reached the top of the curve of the upper Bollinger Band, the most recent curve of it. So although the leading Kumo is relatively thick, the price seems to have the strength to lift it up and continue higher. So biases remain extremely bullish for the pair. And although on daily we see that the price reached marginally the top of the curve of the most recent curve of the upper Bollinger Band, and it looks like it wants to make a corrective downward move before continuing, and the move is possible to even reach the lower Bollinger Band. And although this move may be one of 130 plus pips, it should be ignored because the main trend is an uptrend. It's a very strong uptrend, and even if the price makes a corrective downward move, we should rather look to take a long trade. On H4 the price may even reach the lower Bollinger Band before continuing, or it may just close above Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, and lift the leading Kumo up in the air and continue higher. H4 would be an ideal entry time frame for the buy scenario. If you want to take a sell trade, a short trade, which I don't recommend, H1 would be the ideal entry time frame. H1 for the sell, for the short trade, H4 for the buy trade, for the long trade. Again, ignore the sell, ignore the short trade, go for the buy once all the entry criteria are met for trending market. Enter from H4 time frame, and let's see which are the next take profit targets to look for. So a nice take profit target for the pair for the next for the long trade, in case it continues right now, will be just below the top of the bearish Kumo on monthly at 129.35, and this is 220 pips higher. The next level, I suggest you exit, take your profits, and re-enter again from H4 after a possible correction, a downward correction. Re-enter with trending markets criteria and go for the next, which will be at 133.48, and grab another 400 pips. The second take profit target is 600 plus 650 pips higher than current price level. Entry time frame H4, go for the first, take your profits, get out, wait for a possible downward correction, re-enter, ideally with a fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4, a bullish candlestick closing above Tenkan-sen, the red line of ichimoku, Tenkan-sen sloping upwards, and the leading Kumo being bullish and flying, both edges sloping upwards. These are the most basic re-entry conditions, and go for the second take profit target. This is it for now. Thanks for watching and happy pips.